RMX-80 Digital has 12 studio quality internal effects which can be selected via the Beat Effects encoder. Effects can be routed using the effects channel selector to channels 1 to 4, the mic channel, crossfader A, crossfader B, or the master output. The relationship between the original signal and affected signal can be adjusted steplessly with the dry and wet dial. The effects parameters can be manipulated comfortably using the time bar buttons or via the time encoder. Flanger, delay, echo, reverb, transformer, pitch shift, loop roll, reverse loop, noise, bit crusher, and gate.
Tape delay.
Now we will take a closer look at some of the effects. The loop roll and reverse loop sample effects store a loop in the internal buffer. With the dry and wet dial, you can now fade between the original signal and the recorded loop. By pressing the corresponding time bar button, the loop is triggered and restarted, and its length can be extended or shortened. Noise is an LFO-generated white noise effect, which can be routed to a free channel in order to manipulate the effect on each channel strip. To use noise without LFO modulation, you can adjust the sound color by selecting a high time value, which will modulate the LFO very slowly. Once you have found your desired sound, press the upper time bar button to freeze the sound. In the early days, DJs used to use 2 copies of the same record played slightly out of sync to give a delayed stuttering effect. This can easily be replicated in the 21st century using delay. Using the time bar buttons, you can select the length of the delay from 1/4 of a bar to 4 bars and use the dry-wet dial to increase the intensity of the effect from 0 to 100%. Echo. Similar to the delay is the echo effect. Tracks that end abruptly can be extended or faded out rhythmically, and vocal samples can be made to seem more lively. Control is handled again via the time bar buttons and wet-dry dial. Each channel has its own dedicated low-pass, high-pass filter to perform frequency sweeps that add drama to your mix. When used in conjunction with the studio effects, the sky's the limit for your creativity.